me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm just going to be taking my locks out and showing you how I wash my hair after. It's a very easy process. I just decided to film it just in case anybody was interested. I didn't want to take them out and then you guys comment like, oh my god, did you record a video showing how you took them out? So this is the video. If you guys haven't seen the video on how I installed them, I will link that video in this video. But I've had them for a little over 3 weeks, and to be honest, I could wear them longer. They still look fine. Locks look great even as they get old. Some cases they look better the older that they get. I still love them and I will continue to wear them, but if you guys know me, you guys know I love to switch it up, and I'm just so ready to do my next style, so taking them out. And if you guys don't know, my hair is super short, so as I'm cutting them, I'm gonna cut them like super high because like my hair is literally only like this long. So when you're doing this, make sure you don't cut your own hair too short. Also, I'm sure most of my black girls know this. If you're not really sure how long it's gonna take you, and let's say you got work tomorrow and you're not sure if you're gonna finish taking them out, the best thing to do is to always start in the middle, so that if you are to not finish, or if you gotta run out or something real quick, I mean, you could always throw on a hat, but also if you like just pull your hair up, anything in the middle that's out is not gonna be seen. Black girl pro tip. So I've had my hair in for 3 weeks, and I just want to show you guys how much it's grown. So as you can see on this one, you see, I know when when you take your braids out, you have that like line of dirt. But this is where the rubber band was, because like I said, if you didn't watch my video, go watch it, but I did the rubber band method. So that line is where my rubber band was, and this is the growth that I've had in 3 weeks of having these in. So I'm hyped. Okay, so if you guys can't really see or understand what I'm doing, first of all, this will all make sense if you watched how I put them in. So basically, I did the method where I create a braid, and then I take another piece of hair and I wrap the braid. So basically what I'm doing is this first piece that I keep pulling off is the part that's wrapped around the braid. So that comes off really easily because it's just crocheted and then like literally wrapped. And then I am unbraiding the braid underneath, but some of them, like this one, like if I just split it apart, the braid just separates and pulls out really easily itself. So I didn't know if you guys could tell what I was doing or not, so I just figured I would explain. Oh, and then also there's a rubber band on here, so I'm just reaching under the rubber band and pulling it apart, and that pulls the rubber band to the top of my hair, and then I just pull it off from the top, because I don't want to like pull it all the way off because that's going to cause more breakage than I need. Okay, you guys, so I just finished. My hair has grown so much. I will talk about in a later video why. But anyway, so now I'm about to wash it. Before you wash your hair, you want to make sure your hair is completely detangled so that there's no matting or tingling or anything like that. It did take me about an hour to take all the locks out, which isn't bad at all, especially compared to how long it took me to put them in. So yeah, so like I said, I'm going to wash it. What I'm going to be using to wash my hair is this Kirsten Parlor shampoo and conditioner. Hey guys, so I launched my own hair product line, and so of course I use my own products. Right now the line includes a color retaining shampoo, a color fading shampoo, a reparative conditioner, as well as a styling gel. I do plan to come out with more products in the future. This is just what I wanted to start with. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about this and why I'm using this when my hair is black. So first of all, I'll start with the color retaining shampoo. Obviously, it will help to retain your hair color longer than an ordinary shampoo. Hair colors fade with washes. It is inevitable. However, I came out with a shampoo that, compared to an ordinary conditioner that is not made with the same ingredients, it'll help your hair colors last longer. Not that it will make your hair color last forever and it won't make your hair color fade. It just helps it last longer than another shampoo. Then I have a color fading shampoo, which is a clarifying shampoo that helps to fade your hair colors quicker than a regular shampoo. So it doesn't remove hair color. It's not a hair color remover. You know, if you have blue hair, you're not just gonna wash your hair and then it's back blonde. No, that's not how it works. It makes your hair fade faster than a regular shampoo because it's stronger and it helps like strip it more. So it brings your hair color to a more pastel shade of the color that it is. And the more you use it, like let's say you do a color but you want to fade it faster over time, like you don't want it to last as long as it can last, you would use the color fading shampoo. Then I have the reparative conditioner, which is a conditioner for the whole line is created targeting people who color their hair, because obviously, as you guys know, I was like the hair color queen. The conditioner specifically targets the driest and most damaged areas of your hair and gives them a little more TLC, which results in even conditioning of your hair. So yeah, it's just great for dry and damaged hair, which comes with a lot of the times when you color your hair a lot. And last but not least is a styling gel. It's literally just gel. Okay, so these products are available to order online at kirstenparlor.com. I will have the link to the website in the description box below. So I am using the color retaining shampoo because even though my hair is black, it is dyed jet black. This is not my natural hair color. And actually under this black is blonde. And when you dye your hair black over blonde and it starts to fade, it does not look good. So I have been using this retaining shampoo to help this black last as long as possible. So I don't really feel like I need to film me washing my hair and conditioning it and stuff like that. I don't do anything special. I just wanted to show you guys what I use, and yeah. So this video was just me showing you guys how I take my locks out. Like I said, I'll include the video where I put them in this video. And also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, definitely stay tuned, because now that I'm growing out my hair, I will be doing a lot more styles on my short hair. I'm gonna be showing you short hair ladies how to finesse your hair, okay? So if you're not subscribed, definitely be sure to do that. I do plan to do a new protective style very, very soon. I plan to keep my hair in protective styles for the next couple months while I grow my hair out. So definitely keep up with me to see how I achieve them, because me, as somebody who does not do hair, can barely braid, I make it do what it do, and I always make nothing out of something. I meant make something out of nothing. that just ruined my whole line. Anyway, definitely keep up with me, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and if you guys have any questions about anything, just comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!